Smell pancakes. Yeah, the fire department is doing a fundraiser for pancakes for $10 a plate. So we're gonna go get some pancakes. Ooh, and bacon. Yeah.
We just right here.
Yeah, and bacon. Bacon, bacon, bacon.
It's so cute and tiny. It's like they either shrunk or I was very, very, very little when I last drank out of one of these. I know, Finn. It's very tiny. It's like bitty bitty.
Yeah, about 3 swallows and it's gone.
But the pancakes sure were good.
Yes, they were.
And the bacon.
Uh-huh. All right, let's take this to the trash.
Well, yeah, because we've already eaten. I think you should say that.
Oh, yeah. We already ate.
We're not taking the food to the trash.
We already ate.
Yeah.
All right. Had a great breakfast. Now it's time to go to work. Let's go. I'm driving to work today. Well, you think that parking the van out front. Oh, Rob's truck's here. I didn't have to bring the van, but I think he left with Jack. All right. We're here. All right, we're going to the end of the day. 41 annual arts and crafts. Is that what this is? So I had to work today, so they stay open till 6 supposedly. So we're gonna go check it out. Can't take more than 2 hours.
And the reason she's saying that is because Michael Martin Murphy starts playing at 6.
Marshmallows. What kind of marshmallows? Totally edible? I think they would be.
Some pretty cool stuff.
I like your headband.
Oh, thank you. You looking at me, I'm looking at you.
It says marshmallows, totally edible. Wouldn't you think?
Never met a marshmallow.
Not soap, not cheese.
Yeah. Both my neighbors did. Yeah, I got this one. I'm borrowing $2.
Yeah, that's what,
So you have one like that.
yeah, and that's what I'm kind of going to get him to do, but 3, I think.
I thought you were going to have it flattened and make into a necklace.
Well, I've already got the necklace. So,
Hi, ladies.
hi. So it's wide like that, but I think.
So what's over there?
What's over where? What's over here? Oh, beer.
Beer. Beer. All right, beer and wine. Let's go. All
Banshee Creek Brewery. Winery.
right, let's go. Kettle corn. Sap.
And got this cup or glass. It's glass, which I don't usually carry in my RV. But and I got 2 wine tastings
Coming to you.
Coming to me, man. And here we go. I like chillable red.
Chillable red? Okay. Do you like sweet?
Not too sweet,
Not too
but I'd rather do sweet than dry right now.
Okay. So let me
Sweet.
go ahead and start you off with our Danza del Fuego. This is a sweet chilled red, like Moscato and Cabernet. So nice.
Beer. Hello. Let's see.
We're out of the wheat, so we have the pale ale, the IPA, and the 40.
Pale ale. That's what I want. Clunk.
I would be with the Roger Rock, sir. Rock, sir.
They're making some popcorn.
Tomorrow I'm going to be in the yard.
Wow. Let's go eat. All right, Michael Martin Murphy is playing tonight. We're not going. But we're going to the saloon. We're going to continue this party at the saloon. I smell burnt popcorn.
I had to. I had to come drink with my friends. It was going to rain.
Let's go to the saloon.
It's rain.
You know, they're recording for the lifestyle here. It's like we're just
Ooh, we need to play some shuffleboard. Yeah, no. Dang it.